Decompression therapy is non-invasive, non-surgical, painless procedure that allows us to not only make the pain that is associated with discs go away, but rather over time help in repair the discs.
Anyone that's just been suffering from pain and disability, whether in the acute phase of care or if it's more chronic long-term, generally everyone can benefit from spinal decompression.
There are two things that we can control in the treatment. One is the angle of the pull, which will tell us exactly which disc we're targeting and trying to fix. And the second thing is going to be the intensity. We start very conservative and we increase the intensity until we get to the target pull, which is the maximum pull that your body or each patient's body can take comfortably. They'll get the job done.
They feel less pressure, they feel more range of motion.
Because the treatment is so safe and natural and painless, we see great results with all ages.